Hi everyone, I am going to show you how I make my mashed potatoes today. So first you always want to make sure that you have already washed your hands, make sure everything is clean. Then you're going to want to get a pot of water, fill it almost to the top, about an inch down, okay? And I get about 8 potatoes and that'll fill up the pan. And then we're going to show you how to peel them. I use this peeler that I've used for like 30 years. It's from Tupperware, but it is the bomb diggity, so I love this one. So that's all done. Now you're going to want to take the potatoes, rinse them out, and wipe down the areas so you don't get any dirt that was on the peeling of the potatoes. So you wipe that all down. All right, so now you're going to want to cut the potatoes up in sections. You can cut them in big sections if you want. I just usually cut them in half, and then I cut that in half, and then I kind of make chunky pieces. And it just helps the potato to boil and cook quicker. So that way, so the water's boiling now, so you can just add these in as you go.
What are these for? What kind of potatoes?
Mashed. Uh-oh, 2 potatoes. There we go. All right. And this is one of my very, very favorite bowls. Those are at my grandma Sophie's, so I always like to try to use this as often as possible. And just let it boil for, I don't know how long it is, probably about 30 minutes. I just boil till they're soft, so I just checked them often, but I never really timed it, so they're not soft at all right now. So we'll just let them boil. Bring in my KitchenAid. This will mix up the potatoes, but you can also use a hand mixer. And then I got the butter out, so that'll soften a little bit. You just stick the butter, salt and pepper, and a can of milk. Okay, so I'm gonna test the potatoes. When you stir them, you'll feel just like they're really soft. So the fork goes through them very easily, so they're ready to smash or stir or whatever. But I'll use this, put this in the sink first to drain the water out. Right, then you'll put this back in here, or just use any bowl that you have with a mixer. First, slice it up just a little bit so that it will melt a little quicker. So you're gonna kind of give that a quick slow stir to try to get that butter melted. And when you pour in the milk, you're just gonna pour it in a little at a time, because if you make it too watery, you can't really fix it. It's kind of hard. So you just kind of pour in some milk. Have a bit more milk. It's a creamy, delicious. Alright. Once it's all kind of blended and mashed, then you can put it on high for just a second so that it'll really bubble them up good. Alright, then you get a little taste test. Alright, so I can serve it right from here, or put them in a bowl. Serve them from the bowl, but they're delicious. So, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, like and subscribe.